Hello. In this video, we'll talk about muting your microphone and turning on and off your video. So if you look in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you'll see mute and stop video with two icons there. And these can be useful if you are maybe taking a break from your class. Maybe you've taught for 45 or 50 minutes and you want to take a short break, but you don't want to end the Zoom meeting. You can mute your microphone. And then you can turn your microphone back on and your student can hear you again. Then, if you want, you can turn off your video and your student can hear you, but they won't be able to see you. This can be useful if you want to take a break or if you're having internet trouble. Maybe your internet connection isn't very good. Then in that case, it's helpful to stop your video, just use audio, and then when you're ready, you can click Start Video. And the same goes for muting. You click Mute, and then unmute, and then your student can hear you again. Thank you.